Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we know that what is the interface as well as how to achieve multiple inheritance through interfaces, and we already studied what is the concept of extends keywords as well as what is the concept of implements keywords. So how to establish relation between interface to interface, interface to class and class to class. And there is one more topic we already studied. So that concept is nothing but abstract class as well as abstract method. Okay, so the last two videos we studied about what is the concept of interfaces. Okay, so let us talk about the concept of packages. So what is a package, how to create a package, what are the types of package? Let us discuss in detail information. So let us enter into the topic. For understanding the definition of a package, we are going to understand, see, this is my system. So in this system I'm searching like files. So there is my files. So you can clearly observe that there are different kind of categories. Okay, so from these categories we have like SD card. From that SD card we have different kind of folders. So alarms, Android, my folder, and so some important information is available. Okay, so I'm going to click on C language gate. See, there is a file. The file is nothing but C programming 01 lbh file. So this is one file is related to C language gate. See, in the similar manner, see, there are number of files are available. Okay, so what I'm saying to you, this folder is nothing but one kind of package and it contains different kind of video files. And in the similar manner, this one is one kind of file and it contains different kind of files. Okay, so for example, I'm clicking DCIM. So from the CAM folder, so this folder contains lot of files. So this folder we can call it as a package. So this package is going to be created by maybe user, maybe system. Okay, so this Android is system folder and this is my name, and in my name I have some kind of files. Okay, see, this is the system oriented folder and this folder is created by mine. Okay, so a package is nothing but it is a one kind of folder or subfolder. Let us understand what is Java package. So the Java package is nothing but group of classes and interfaces and sub packages. Okay, so as I discussed, this is information. This information we are going to maintain one kind of folder. That folder we can call it as package. Okay, so a package is collection of classes, collection of interfaces, collection of sub packages. So this package is used to design our Java program. Okay, so you want to write a Java program which is related to software oriented or which is related to your program oriented. So this package contains all. Separately we studied about what is a class, separately we studied about what is a package, and we are going to study about the sub packages. So the group we can call it as package. Simple, very simple concept it is. See, you are going to be celebrate one kind of function. Okay, so while celebrating a function you are going to give the order like a package is completely related for the cooking. So they will be take care about the different like 40 to 50 items for your lunch. Okay, in the similar manner you are going to book one package for the decoration. Okay, so they are going to be make a changes 15 to 25 changes in your house. Okay, in the similar manner there is a package, it is related to traveling. So it is going to be visited 10 places or around in the city, they are pick up and dropping. So you are going to pay the money for the function. Okay, you are going to pay the money for the function and you are going to be calling different kind of packages. So the people will be carrying everything. The cooking contains a lot of things like dal, rice and vegetables and curries, and there are a lot of stuff. There is a cooking category, and decoration category there is a lot of stuff, flowers and lights. There are a lot of things we have. In the tour we have a different kind of drivers, different kind of places, different kind of information, so that contains the tool. So while doing a function, you are going to define a package for the different categories which is helpful for your function. In the similar manner, a package is collection of classes, collection of interfaces and collection of sub-packages which are used to define your Java program, or it is used to defining a Java software. Okay, so this is nothing but package. Okay, so a package is collection of built-in classes, interfaces, methods, abstract classes and sub-packages. Okay, so classes contains methods, classes contains abstract classes, interfaces also contains abstract classes. Okay, so in simple terms, what I am saying to you, as I discussed earlier, a package is a container. Container means what? It is one kind of folder. Okay, and it is storing lot of classes, interfaces, sub-packages and methods. Okay, so there is a one more simple term, like a package is a subdirectory. Subdirectory means folder within other folder is called as one kind of subdirectory. Okay, so there is a name is called like C. From the C there is a package name is like tool, and from the tool there is a one more package is like OT. So OT is one package which is belongs to tool package. Okay, it is related to C drive. Okay, so this is the basic information about the package. A package is group of similar type of classes, interfaces, sub-packages. See, what is the advantage of the package? The major advantage of the package is it is reusability. So reusability means the same program code is going to be used number of times, like program 1, like program 2, like program 3, like program 4, like that. We have to use the same code again and again. Okay, so there is a package like cooking. So this cooking package, we can use it for the number of times, maybe dinner, maybe lunch, maybe breakfast, maybe other function like that. This is the package. Okay, so the major advantage is nothing but reusability. Same code used again and again is called reusability. And not only reusability, we can hide entire program code. Okay, we can hide entire program code. This gives additional security of your project or additional security of your program, right? Okay, so this is the basic introduction. So this is the basic purpose of package. Okay, so far we know that what is a package and what is the use of the package. So let us talk about types of packages. See, in Java language, packages are two types. One is comes under Java API packages, and this one we can also call it as built-in packages, and this one we can also call it as predefined packages. So what is the meaning of that? So a package is already defined in your Java software. Okay, so while installing your Java software in your system, okay, you will get all the packages. Okay, so that is comes under built-in package, or that one we can call it as which is already defined with the software. So what is the meaning of API? We already discussed what is the meaning of API. API stands for application program interface, and it is made up of various classes, various interfaces, various subdirectories and various methods which are going to be used to define a program or to define a software, right? Okay, so this is the basic API packages. We already know that Java language is collection of APIs. C language is collection of functions. C++ is also collection of functions. Okay, but Java language is collection of APIs. Okay, and the second one is user defined package. See, what is the meaning of user defined package? You are a programmer, you are going to create your own package as per your requirement. Okay, so as per your requirement, you have to define your own package. Okay, so there are two classifications. The first one is comes under built-in package or API package, and second one we can call it as user-defined package. Okay, so in examination you can expect two questions from the packages. The question number one is explain various API packages, or the second one is how to create package. Okay, so these are the two questions you can expect in examination. Let us discuss about the first topic, Java API packages. See, these are the various Java API packages. These are the various Java API packages. See, these are the basic built-in packages or basic predefined packages which are frequently used our program. Okay, so we already discussed API. So from Java API, we have some standard packages like lang package, like util package, like IO package, like AWT package, like net package, like applet package. Not only that, we have some other packages like swing packages, SQL packages. Okay, so there are a lot of packages we have like Java X package. So like that, there are a lot of packages we have in our Java language. So if you go for the lang package, it is a default package of the Java language. Okay, it is a default package, and language package we can also call it as, it is called as utility package, and this language package is used for the mathematical and various basic calculations in your program. This utility package is used to define dates, times, hash codes like that. And IO package means input output package. So this package is used to define input and output related operations. And AWT package means abstract window toolkit. So basically this package is used to define graphic programs. And net package means networking package. This package is used to define network oriented programs, and other one is called as very strong one, applet package. So this applet package we can use it to define applets. Okay, so applets are popular programs. It is strongly supports the internet environment. At the same time, we can also develop graphic programs. Okay, so these are the basic packages. And Java X packages, these packages are used to define additional graphical tools. Okay, and advanced Java versions contains this Java X package, and this swing package we can also use it to define some kind of graphics in our Java language. Okay, and SQL. So SQL tool is used to define like data connected with your program. Okay, so the detailed information is available for each package, like whatever packages we have, that packages like this. See, lang package used to implementing data types, strings, mathematical functions, threads and exceptions. And we already discussed it is a default package in the Java language. And the second one is java.util. So this is the package implementing the concepts like vectors, hash tables, random numbers, date, time, etc. Okay, so these are the topics. And IO package, so this IO package used to implementing input output oriented classes. Okay, and AWT package is used to define graphical applications such as window, buttons, list, menus, like that. See, this is the button. So this entire thing we can call it as a window. If you click on file, you can expect a menu, right? So like that we can creating different kind of programs by using AWT package. And other one is called as java.net. So it is networking classes used to communicating local computers as well as internet servers. Okay, like Gmail, like Google search engine, like that, everything is comes under this kind of net package. And applet package is used to implementing applet programs, which is strongly supports for the internet. Okay, so what I'm saying to you, these are the packages are comes under built-in packages. Okay, so these built-in packages followed by information in table. Okay, so the next one is how to define a built-in package. Syntax of built-in package. Okay, how to define package? See, to define a package, we should use the keyword is called import. Import is one of the keyword from 52 keywords. It is used to define API package or user defined package. Okay, so import is a keyword is like hash include from C or C++. It is a similar application of C or C++ in our Java. Okay, so import is a keyword. API, so API means see, this is the API. So this API contains like Java API. Okay, like Java X is one more API. Okay, like that we have different type of APIs. From the Java APIs we have these all. Okay, from Java X we have different kind of packages. Okay, so to define a package, we should use API. So now package name, what is the package name? You can use any one of the package. See, API package name, 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 API package name. Like that we have to define API, that is java.lang or java.io. So like that we have to define package, right? And class name, maybe particular class name. If you're defining a square root, there is a class name is like math, M should be capital. Okay, so we should use class name, particular class name from the package. We should know about the class name. Okay, particular class, otherwise you are worried about remembering all the classes and all. See, these all classes name is going to be available in the framework like NetBeans, MyClips. If you click on api.lang. Then you will get a one kind of drop box. From that you can select any one of the class name, otherwise simply you have to press star button. See examples as per the syntax. Import java.lang.math. Math is one of the class, lang is belongs to math class. See, lang, this math class is belongs to lang package. Okay, so this lang is belongs to Java and we are importing everything. In similar manner, color is a class. This color is a class of AWT package. So this AWT is belongs to Java API and we are using importing. Okay, and lang is one kind of package name which is belongs to Java API and we are using star. Star means all classes. Okay, so this is also valid, but we are not using this. Okay, so these are the some examples, and strongly you can recommend that dot is an operator which is used to separating the packages as well as separating the classes and methods also. Okay, so far we know that what is API package and what are the various types of API packages and information about the each and every package and syntax of API package. Okay, so let us talk about the program. See, there is a program. So the program is find out the square root. Okay, you can open the decoder in your mobile, otherwise your Java platform in your system. So try to type the program and check with the output. Okay, see, you can find out clearly square root of 7. Okay, so we know the value like 2.6. Okay, see this square root symbol, can you find out in the keyboard? So basically this square root symbol is not available in the keyboard. So that is the reason we should require there is a additional efforts of the program. So that is nothing but to define this square root, there is a function like sqrt. Okay, so this sqrt is a function which is belongs to the math class. This math is one of the class of lang package. So this lang is one of the package which is belongs to the API. The API name is called as Java. Okay, so that is the reason we are using import java.lang.math and class square root. Okay, so now public static void main string args. So default statement. See, this is the decimal value. You can use, we can also use like double also. Okay, a 7.0 f. Okay, so f is associated with the floating value b and b equal to math dot. So from the math, one of the function, see, one of the function is called as sqrt. We have different function like log is function, power is function, like that. We have lot of functions, we have lot of methods. We have one of the method is called as square root and there is no gap here. Okay, so that is nothing but mat dot sqrt of a, or directly can define 7 also. Okay, printing of the a value and printing of the b value. See, output is a value is 7.0 and square root of b value is 2.645751. So total 6 digits. If you go for the double, we can expect at the 15 digits. Okay, so this is the basic example of API package. Okay, so if in examination, if examiner is asking about explain about API packages or built-in packages, then you should write about what is API package and how to define API package, so types of API package and various syntax of API package followed by program. Okay, so this is the API package information. That's it. So this is the first part of the packages, and second part I'm going to release the next video. Okay, so in this video I covered about what is a package and what are the types of packages and how to define API package, right? So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.